Guys, we just pour the concrete and complete the concrete. Now this all the foundation, following the other two videos for foundation 1 and 2, pouring concrete. And this is, you see, all filled up all around, is round, you see, all the way. It's just 0.5 meter wide by 1.5 deep concrete. Just we had the concrete, ready mix concrete truck with the pump. Just pump all the things here. Now after this we can't do anything until the concrete is set. Ideally we're gonna give it a good wait, around 3 to 4 weeks. So if the concrete need to settle in, because it's quite heavy and the soil is going to become more compact underneath. And if you're going to get any settlement, it's going to have settlement before we put the blockwork wall on top of it. So if it needs set, it will set, and then we do the blockwork over it after 4 weeks. If you put it earlier, basically if it's set, the wall is going to have a crack in the wall. But if it's set now, the problem, we wouldn't have that settlement problem and crack on the wall. So 6x6 extension in the back garden in North London is one of our clients. We just finished pouring concrete, and next stage, as I said, is a waiting game to all settlement happen and concrete set in nicely. Meanwhile, when it's set in, I need to order material, brickwork, some concrete shingle and everything, and get the builder, arrange a builder, make an appointment with them, and so do the rest of the foundation, wall, and then roof. And if I have time, I'll do the video for the walls in part 4 or 5. Walls, probably I'll do one for walls, roughly 1 or 2 for wall, depending how it goes, and then one for roof if I have time. So keep tuning for more video for next stage. Already there's one video for the digging the foundation, and 2 already for pouring the concrete, and this is a finished work of the concrete. So keep tuning and stay tuned basically, and for other videos for wall and ceiling, roof. Okay, take care, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you, bye bye.
Mama sen gene mesela